So I've got a little girl in dance at the minute who is struggling with school, and dance is really helping her to come out of her shell, so it's the only thing that she'll happily do outside of school. So it's helping her make that friendship, so she's going up to secondary school. Fynychu yw Lowry a Dwi'n Wedig, Club Dance, Lowry Jones School of Dance.
Fynychu yw Jonathan Jones, fi yw pennaeth Ysgol Wdig.
Hi, my name's Sean O'Sullivan and I'm the coach for the Gig Night Under-12s.
Fy enw I yw Mae'n Williams a dwi'n arweinydd uned Brownies gyda Girl Guides Cymru. Mae un merch wedi dweud bod hi'n cael problemau yn yr ysgol, bod plant yn gweud pethau cas am ei bod hi'n wahanol, yn hoffi pethau gwahanol. A beth dwi'n trial wneud yw gweud, ond mae bod yn wahanol yn unigryw. Dyle ti magu'r hyder a bod yn brawd o'r ffaith bod diddordebau di yn wahanol.
So I had a young lad who was excelling in the football team, really confident in what he was doing, and the parent came and approached me and said he wasn't happy about going to school. So brought him in, had a chat with him, made sure that the players around him and myself were there to support him, and obviously he's in the school with the boys that he's in a team with. So that boosts his confidence and that changed his perspective to go to school.
Dwi wedi gweld yn unan trwy fel ffordd o rygbi bod y clwb a yr hyfforddiant a'r cymysgu'r plant gwahanol wedi helpu codi hyder nhw, achos ni, mae hwn wedi galluogi nhw mynd nôl i'r ysgol neu dechrau'n ffres yn yr ysgol a wedi newid falle profiad nhw yn yr ysgol.